Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright, I'm a Kelantan today. God, to the best teacher around the world, want to get here, want to learn English, get about English today. Mr. Farmer, Mr. Day today, right? Right. I'm going to explain about a little bit about our topic today. We're going to explain about the new normal in Asia after hit by coronavirus. I'm going to explain about advantages and disadvantages, a little bit about new normal in Asia. But I do support for our president, Mr. Jokowi, going to be has been on about new normal in Asia, because new normal in Asia, if you don't bring that, can you imagine that the currency of money gonna be low every single day per rupiah. But new normal in Asia, if the people doesn't all being about keep social distancing, growth always to grow the people, and that means everywhere all being about instruction from the governor. So how do we every single day the coronavirus hit for every single people. But advantages for the stay at home, stay the coronavirus. I do believe that, I do love that. Almost 1 million people in Asia get pregnancy. Every woman in Asia, 34 from Indonesia get pregnancy because stay in the home. That's because not only in Aceh but also in Jakarta, Surabaya, Beli, Jayapura, Kalimantan, every single from Indonesia. Talking about Aceh never get London, right? No, I don't. Everywhere people in Aceh talking, let's say Banda Aceh. Even though Banda Aceh not high level by with COVID-19 hit by people, but in Banda Aceh, everywhere, every coffee shop, the people are just wearing the mask very important. We keep our clean, washing our hand every single day, 5 times day and night, washing your take pollution. That's very important. Just because very long time ago, our Prophet Muhammad taught us about that. Clean very important. That's in my time. The point is normal in Asia, very totally awesome, and that I do support for government to do normal. Right, that's my time. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.